Today, we're going to talk about gifting a property to your children. Can I gift a property to our children? Of course, you can. It's your wish, your property. You can do whatever you want with it. But what are the tax consequences of doing so? The first thing you need to consider is capital gains tax. Although you're not receiving any money and you're gifting it, the rules, because you and your children are connected parties, mean that you have to dispose it, or it is a deemed disposal at market value. The increase in the value from what it is today to what it was when you bought it will be subject to capital gains tax. This will be taxed at between 18 and 28% depending on your tax band. What about stamp duty? If there is no mortgage on it, there will be no stamp duty as money is not exchanging hands. However, if there is a mortgage on it, of course you will need to reapply for a mortgage in the children's name and there will be stamp duty payable. What about inheritance tax? Have you thought of the impact that gift will have on inheritance tax? You may be aware of the 7-year rule, but let me explain it. If you gift a property to your children today, apart from capital gains and stamp duty, you need to consider inheritance tax. In order for it to be outside your inheritance tax estate, what you need to do is survive for 7 years. You also need to ensure that you do not enjoy the benefits of that property. Because if you do, it's not a gift. And for inheritance tax purposes, it will be subject to inheritance tax on your death. So, what is it that you can do to avoid this tax? Well, why don't you call us and speak to us? Call us on 0208 204 2228 or book a meeting with me online at www.priceman.co.uk.